Hey there, welcome to GemIIToys. Here we are once again. No, the Harley Quinn images are coming. I just wanted to share some images of my next video coming in a few days. It's a music showcase, and if you guys follow my channel, you know this is my favorite thing to do. It's really exciting to me, and I put a lot of love into this video, so please watch it. I've reached 500 subscribers, and I wanted to take the chance to thank you all so very much, as it really inspires me to go further with making videos and content like this. So with that said, here we have the video I made of the Harley Quinn figures. Now I know I've shown these figures before, but I wanted to make a quick fun video, and hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned to lots of content coming up. I'm really excited. And with that said, like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the path of collecting, and I'll catch you guys next time.